Hello beautiful, this is Kirasecret Skincare. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. But guys, if you've not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below, like and share. Subscription is free, okay? Also follow me on my Instagram page at Kirasecret Skincare. Also follow us on our new logistic page at Kirasecret Logistics. There we ship worldwide through DHL and through cargo. Okay, we generate tracking number for you to track your goods. 3 to 5 working days, your goods will get to you at your doorstep. We are the number one, the champion. We base here in Lagos, Nigeria. Whether you're buying product from Mommy Kira, whether you're not buying from us, let Kirasecret Logistics ship for you. You can follow us on Instagram also. Also, you can shop on my website www.kirasecretskincare1.com. Our skincare products is there. Our mulatto, our instant white, our Arabian, our Afghans, our Snow White. Very affordable and effective product. Our porcelain is on the website. Also, we sell original branded product. Original branded product is on the website. Very affordable. Okay, go there and shop. Then you always ask me, Mommy Kira, how much is it? All prices are on the website. Okay, and it's very fast. If you don't know how to shop, send me a message on WhatsApp. I'm going to send you a short video on how you can shop on the website properly. I love you guys so much. God bless you. God bless your family. Today I'll be talking about a product called Snapchat. Okay, this is it. This is the original one. Although there's no fake, I've not seen fake in the. I've not seen fake. You understand? What the only thing I saw was rebranding. You understand? When a company change packaging, you understand me? Sometimes people would think there is fake and there is original. Okay, but you can screenshot. This is it. Okay, this is the. I got it directly from the distributor. Okay, a client of mine wants to buy, and look at it. She went to my website. She got, this is their serum. Okay, this is the face cream. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys, and that is the face soap. Look at it. This is the face soap. Okay, yes, I have the full set. You can go to the website and place your order, but today I'll be concentrating more of this Snapchat. Okay, they have three or four colors, but you know the one that most people do get is this blue one or the black one, but most at time is this blue one. Okay, because people said it brightens the skin. Okay, I'm a YouTuber. Everybody knows me on YouTube, and Mommy Kira will always say it how it is. I don't need to fine-tune anything, okay, about Snapchat. This is not a promo ad. This is an honest review on Snapchat. A lot of my customers have been asking me, Mommy Kira, please tell us more about Snapchat. We've seen a lot of videos, but we don't know which we're going to follow or believe. You understand me? But you know, I normally take my time to study product, you know, before I will come out, because I have my own product, Kirasecret Skincare product. You know, before I will come out to make review about another product, you know that I have gotten a lot of review and I've studied the product very well. Okay, Snapchat is not a whitening product. Even if you go through it, it's a brightening product. It deals on discoloration, dark spots, okay, and it even the skin tone. That is what this product is targeted on. But you know, when you go to TikTok, you see everybody, hey, Snapchat whitening. Everybody, they want to sell. When you check at their background, you will see so many skincare products at their back. Those kind of people, you have to be very careful when you want to patronize them. They are all after waiting. They want to sell. They're all after sales. They want to sell because they bought all these things. They want to sell it. We all want to sell, but you see some honest people. You understand me? Honest people that will tell you truth about a product. This is a brightening lotion. This is a brightening. Even though you use their serum and you miss it inside, it will only brighten you. It will not whiten you. You understand me? It is a brightening lotion. If you go through this, it's a brightening lotion. But you know, Mommy Kira, I'm the number one, the champion. I've studied products, and because I'm a promiser for a living, I promise for living. I promise product for living. You understand me? We are the people that you guys need to meet, interact with, and talk about product with, because we buy product, we experiment it, we use it, we give it out to customers. You understand me? Although currently I'm using a face cream. If you love my face, please go to my website and get our Snow White 3 days whitening face lotion, face cream. Yes, this face cream is amazing. It's the number one, the champion. It clears dark spot and all that. Okay, go to the website and get our Snow White 3 days whitening face cream. Okay, yes, this Snapchat, you understand me, is a good brightening lotion. But a lot of people have chatted me up and say, Mommy Kira, we've bought this Snapchat. We did not white, our skin did not white, we only just brighten up. You know, we've even used the oil, we've mixed the oil inside it. It no still white our skin. That is why I said I will come out and make a video and tell you guys what I've given to my customers that they've mixed with this Snapchat that makes them to get up to 5 shades. Yes, get up to. And this Snapchat, why I like it is that it's not a lightweight, like it's not watery. It's medium thick. You understand me? See it, it's medium thick. That is a medium thick lotion. You can mix things inside and it will still give you the stability you want. Okay, that is why I want to show you guys what I gave my customer to miss. Okay, look at it. This is what they pair with the Snapchat lotion. Okay, a lot of customers ask me, Mommy Kira, this our Snapchat, we don't want to stop using it. Oh, you understand me? I always tell them, don't stop using any lotion you have that you've bought and they told you in the market is whitening and you start using it, you know white. Guys, don't throw it away. Don't throw it away. Okay, get the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. See, look at them. This is the Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. These 3 products, it has really helped my skincare production. You understand? If you have all those lotion that you buy, over the counter lotion that you buy in the market, that they will write whitening all over the body, and when you use it, you know white at all. Don't throw it away. Get the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. Pour this inside. Pour little of the oil because the oil is very strong. Pour little. Mix it. No green vein, no white dot, no white patches. Like my Snow White that I'm using. Okay, I used to put Secret White Strong Whitening Serum inside. Mix it. My skin now, it's my husband that is telling me, Oni, you are too white. Reduce it. Reduce it. E dey work. No white patches, no green vein, no white dot, nothing. Your body, your skin will be clean. You understand? But the only thing, just avoid sun. Okay, then I want to show you guys how you can pair it. Okay, this Snapchat lotion, this Snapchat brightening lotion. Snapchat lotion is not a whitening lotion, guys. It's a brightening lotion. It only brightens the skin. This lotion targeted on dark spots, blemishes on your skin, on even skin tone. But if you want that white, that if you want to whiten your skin, why I said I like this Snapchat, I'm not casting it. Why I said I like it is a medium thick lotion. It is not a watery lotion. Okay, that is why you can use the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum with it. You pair it, it will go well. Okay, but if you want it more faster, get this one too. Put it inside, because this is a 500 ml lotion. Okay, you put 2 of it inside, or you can put like this. You understand me? They put like this and get your amazing results. Okay, Secret White Strong Whitening Serum is the #1, the champion. Okay, put them together. Put them together and your skin tone will be beautiful. You will love your skin. Okay, but if you are using not only this Snapchat, the result, you will see result, but it will take time. Just don't stress yourself. Okay, just get the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, but get to put it inside, or you get one of Secret White Serum, one of Secret White concentrate. Put them inside and thank Mommy Kira. Thank Mommy Kira. Okay, if you want to get the Snapchat, this Snapchat, you can go to the website and get the Snapchat. It's on the website www.kirasecretskincare1.com. If you want to get the Secret White Serum, is on the website. If you want to get the Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, is on the website. If you want to get the Secret White Strong Whitening Oil, is on the website. Place your order, mix them together, and come and thank Mommy Kira. After 5 days, you will come back and say, Mommy Kira, God bless you. God bless you. You know, you champion. If I don't know something, I don't say it. You understand me? I take my time. I study product very well. Okay, I take my time. I see this company that produce Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, Secret White Strong Whitening Oh yeah, this product is very good. It's now in Ghana. If you're in Ghana, you will see the contact, the distributor contact down on the comment section. If you're in the north, if you're in Katsina, if you're in Abuja, you can contact the distributor in the north to Weibi to you, because I base here in Lagos. Okay, if you are scared of Weibi money, if you're in Abuja or you are in Katsina, because the distributor is in Katsina, you can chat her up for she to Weibi for you. Okay, if you are in Ghana, you want to get the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Oil, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate. You don't want to pay for Weibi. Just collect the number on the comment section in Ghana, the distributor in Ghana, the ladies in Ghana. Chat her up. She's going to deliver to you fast. Hello, beautiful. This is Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective, guys. Now is in 125 ml bottle. This product is super effective. It's super strong. If you're producing for your customer and your customer that are complaining that the product is not working, the product you are producing for them is not working, worry no more. Go and get Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective. You can't put it directly on your skin. You have to use it to produce, mix with your production for your customer to come back. It's super active and very, very effective. Okay, if you want to partner, okay, they need more distributor all over the world, in France, USA, Canada, Mexico, Europe, Germany, Switzerland, okay, Ghana, Togo, Mali, Gabon, okay, everywhere. Please, if you are interested, chat us up, okay, chat the number up on the screen, and let's do business together. They're going to put your number on the screen, okay, so that anybody that wants to buy in your city will contact you directly. Hurry up, because this product is the number one, the champion. It's very, very effective.